Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do the setup for the Ink Bucket Good Life Planner. This is the planner that I have. It is already in its own sleeve and I'm really happy with how it is right now. So what are the changes that I'm going to do? Before getting into this planner, one thing that I wanted to let you know is I have a lot of trackers. I do a lot of trackers, at least that is my intentions. If you have seen the unboxing of the Ink Bucket planner that I had done, I was very disappointed with a couple of things with this planner. One was the weekly reflection page, which had a lot of grids, which I could not write too much on this. And the second one was too many pages for saying goodbye to 2022. And I will generally prefer to say goodbye to 2022 in my 2022 planner than to do it in my 2023 planner. So I will say goodbye to 2022 in my current 2022 planner. So what I was planning to do is to upcycle or recycle these first few pages of 2022. So what I'm going to do? First thing first, I'm not going to change anything on this. This flower is too pretty. Again, I'm not going to disturb that. Over here, I intend to put in my mood tracker. This is where on the 2023 page here will be my period tracker. So essentially, I would just mark the days that I got my period. So this will be my period tracker and obviously a reference calendar too. Then what I have decided in terms of trackers is to divide my trackers into daily, weekly, monthly and yearly trackers. That way I have a fair bit of clarity on how I'm going to use it. So here will come my monthly trackers. These two pages will be my monthly trackers. These two pages again I think will be my monthly. So I will just put in all my trackers. So what I have done essentially is, let me bring my trackers back. So this I have gotten a few printouts. So this is going to be my health tracker. I have one other page. This is going to be my mood tracker. And this is going to be my daily activities tracker. And here this printout essentially is my weekly as well as monthly tracker right here. So I'm just going to cut it and then stick it on these pages. So again, this I think will be my monthly. This would be definitely my daily trackers. And here I will have another set of daily trackers. This would be, I think, my weekly tracker, and this also would be my monthly tracker. I'm not sure. Again, I'll have to stick and then figure it out. I'm hoping at this point I don't come to these pages, and I should keep these pages as it is. But if not, I will stick more trackers. This will be my vision board. I will set up my vision board at some point in time. And I'll film that also. So give me some time. By the time I will cut this trackers, possibly paste it and then show you how it looks like. So I have all of my trackers cut out with the help of this really fancy tool. I forgot to put this into my haul, but this is also something that I got from Amazon. This is basic paper cutter, but yeah, this. And another fancy tool which a lot of art journalers use is this glue tape, is what I'm going to use. In my art journals, I generally use this tape extensively. And trust me, it is slightly noisy, but it is brilliant to use and very easy. So I'm back. I have almost set up the book so far. So on the first page, nothing's changed. Then I have my mood tracker and it has a key. If you have seen my last few years setup, you know that I do not have smiley faces or colors or anything of that sort for my moods. I will definitively have a very, very specific numbered system. So a good day, a happy day would start from 6, a bad day will be 0. So I can actually sum up each month and have a quantitative number on how my month was. I know it sounds excessive, but if you are over analytical like I am, this is great. And then you can actually say, okay, this was one of the best months that I had in the year, or this was the worst months that I had in a year. So things like that, I would like to know it more quantitatively than qualitatively. So this is my mood tracker. Then I will have my period tracker. I'm not naming this, I'm not marking it, but I know for a fact that this calendar will be my period tracker. Then I will have my food tracker. This is, and I will have my key here as well. I'm not sure if you can see the key. This is my key. This essentially is junk, sugar, and eating out. Which days did I do that? So this, I will have a quick understanding in a glance that I'm eating out too much this month, or this needs to be cut down, or say for example in the festive months like October, November, December, you are possibly eating out a little bit too much and all of that. So I need a good visual representation of that. So this is that. Then I have my daily activities. Then I will have my weekly tasks here. Again, the key is right here for ready reference. And then I have my monthly tasks. So yeah, post this, I have a 2-page spread on just my family time. This is my daily tracker, but this is one of the most important trackers because here I write if I am spending enough time with my family members, yes or no. And this is one of the most important things in my life to track. No matter how my life is busy, but this tracker keeps me grounded that I'm spending the time that I need with the 3 most important people in my life. So this is that is the reason the trackers, if I don't feel like tracking either of these, like I really don't care, but this tracker comes as the most important tracker at this point. So that is that. These are a few trackers that I wish to keep for the year 2023. This page here, it's purposefully I've kept it blank because here I want to journal about 2022 a little bit so that I have some takeaways, especially the learnings from 2022 that I will like to take in 2023, and I would like to keep this 1.5 page especially for that. But other than that, then I will have my vision board. I intend essentially is to write one paragraph for each month to just summarize it quickly. That is my intention here. Then for this, I will obviously set up my goals and everything here. For year at a glance, I intend to mark my steps, the number of steps that I've taken in the entire day will come in here. I may or may not fill it every day because I have a smart watch and I can track it and just weekly come here and write down the number of steps. So that is what will go here, and I think that is it. This is all that I'm going to do on my yearly trackers. One thing that I definitely know will come is a lot of stickers. I intend to decorate this more with stickers. At this point, I don't want to put the stickers at this point, but when I will set up my vision board and when I'll have all my stickers stashed together, I will figure out a few stickers for these pages as well. So that is essentially my intention, to really jazz this up with stickers at some point, but not at this point. So I think that is it. This is all I want to do to set up my Ink Bucket Good Life Planner. And thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye now.